Guys, with me we have today with us Mr. Snowy. Mr. Snowy is a very intelligent detective and he is going to explain us the CAT cutoffs. So we're going to find the CAT cutoff for almost all the sections, the complete syllabus of the CAT exam, importance of every chapter, and Mr. Snowy will help us out. उसका दूसरा पार्ट भी पीछे है. आजा भाई, तू भी आजा साथ में. You know, he is too busy for that. Even he is not willing to be with me. अरे रुक जा भाई, रुक जा. Guys, today I want to unbox two books. One is the cutoff learning orange books and the Pro Pack. We're introducing Pro Pack as well. These two books are sufficient from your CAT preparation. You don't need to buy mota books because these are concise, short, to the sweet, covering up the full syllabus for the CAT exam. Now, what we have done is divided into two parts: basic and advanced. Cutoff clearing target 85 to 95 percentile. 95 percentile you can touch if you cover up all the books. Yes, you can touch 95 percentile with all the mocks पे mocks खेल के we can score 95. And then Pro Pack, advanced level pack is required for 90 to 99 का range if you want to go for the pro level. This is pro, this is the basic pack, just like a phone here, iPhone and iPhone Pro. So this is to clear the cutoff. This is if you want to get 99 percentile, 95 percentile, and from the reserved category 90 percentile plus. This is your phase 1 and phase 2. Ideal target is to cover up these books by Janmashtami or by Independence Day or by till my birthday. My birthday is on August 20th. Do wish me. And August 20th तक खत्म करना है target. If you like me, August 20th. If you don't like me, Janmashtami. And then we move to the Pro Pack. This should be the target till Diwali. Diwali will be around 15 days before the CAT exam. Take a phase 1, phase 2, and give as many mocks as possible. I believe with this, if you complete these two books and if you give around 30 mocks, that I think should be enough to clear the cutoff. Again, guarantee तो कोई दे नहीं सकता है. No one can guarantee कि तुम्हारा आपका call आएगा ही आएगा. What if you fall sick on the exam day? Anything can happen. But from the preparation point of view, this understanding these things is more than sufficient. So I want to walk you through the complete set so that you understand the complete syllabus for the CAT exam using these books. We are now going to find the value of every book, which book is more important. So our rabbit will help us to identify. He's more interested to go some other places. Alright, so this is the pack of total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 books which are here to help us out and prepare for the exam. So now let's look at the importance wise. Yeah. So maths, if I talk about the maths point of view, arithmetic, modern maths, equations, geometry numbers, TSPV. These 5 books are there purely for the maths exam. Okay. And this is what I want to talk about. Now this is the first thing which I want to talk about, and we look at the importance of every topic which is there in maths. And I have a pink marker with me. I don't know about you, but I love fluorescent colors. So I'll start with the most important area which is there, which is arithmetic. So arithmetic is the most important subject which we have, and we look at the importance of every chapter. So percentage is the first most important chapter. There will be 2 questions in almost every exam from percentages. 2 questions. Yeah, ratio proportion, 2 questions. Interest 0 or maybe 1. Averages 1 question. Mixtures 1 question. Profit and loss another 1 to 2 question. Yeah. So percentages 2 questions. Ratio proportion 2 question. Interest 0 to 1. Averages 1. Allegation, mixed allegations 1. Profit and loss 1 to 2 question. And this is true for almost every exam, not just CAT. This is valid for almost every exam you are going to prepare for. The same breakup. So this is the most important area you have to cover. Yeah, this is the first part and the most important part. Important area from the quad point of view is modern maths. Modern maths is again equally important. The value wise again equally important. And these are the few topics which come in the modern maths. Now what I've done is I've removed a few topics and added into equations. So वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. I have divided the dirty quant into something less. Progression, 1 question in almost every exam based on progression. Set theory, 1 question. In DI, you can expect 4 questions, but quant point of view, 1 question. Inequality, 1 question. Function 2, logs 2. So 6, 7 questions you can expect from this section. this area. Progression 1 question, set theory 1 question, inequalities 1 question, functions 2 question, logs 2 question. That's the syllabus for the modern maths point of view. Yeah, 6-7 marks of the question you can expect from modern maths. Now equations, actual name is algebra, but if the moment I say algebra na आधी जनता book खोलेगा ही नहीं. But look at size, yeah. This is, I want you to complete this book in 1 week, 2 weeks, and just move on. So linear equation 1, third indices 1. Yes, CAT have now started asking question based on third indices as well. 1 question. Quadratic equation, cubic equation 1 question you can expect. Algebra, polynomial equations 1 question. Inequality 1 question. So you can expect this for 4 to 5 questions based on inequalities, based on total equations. So linear equation 1, indices 1, quadratic cubic 1, algebra polynomial equation 1, and inequalities 1. 4 to 5 questions based on 1. It can be 0 also, it can be 1, it can be 2 also. Yeah, we can't predict the number. हमारा rabbit भी छोड़ के भाग गया. He is मस्त बैगे eating his food there. Okay, I'll try to call him back. Okay, now this book is slightly more difficult book comparatively. Time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC probability. Fine, time and work. Number system मैंने वहाँ से यहाँ पे डाल दी because pages were less, so I moved it here. Time and work 1 question, 1 to 2 question. Time, speed, distance 1 to 2 question. Probability PNC combined will be I think 1 to 2 question. I think 1 question. But now the CAT का trend is moving toward a DLR question based on PNC. Fine. So time and work 1 to 2 question. Time, speed, distance 1 to 2 question. Probability PNC 1 question. Another 4-5 question you can expect from this book. And this is one of the सबसे lengthy topic. This you can't complete this topic. It's infinite. Sorry. Every question is a new type of question which you can expect. So complete this book. That's it. Patli si book, and move on, so that I can immediately move to the advanced one. The moment I complete this thing, I can move to the advanced pack. Okay, the pro pack. Geometry numbers. One of the most difficult area of the CAT exam is geometry and numbers. This section. So angle, triangle, circle. I've combined them into one. Area, volume are combined into one. 1 to 2 questions from here, 1 to 2 questions from here. Trigonometry, coordinate geometry, 1 question. Trust me guys, you pick up any exam now, SNAP, NMAT, CAT, they're trying to make it more difficult by giving you this topic. So angle, triangle, circle, 1 to 2 question. Area and volume, 1 to 2 question. Coordinate geometry, trigonometry, combined 1 question. So that's the weightage of geometry and numbers. So geometry and numbers ka chapter I've added in the other book because the size issue, it is coming here. So 26 pages, just do this much. Again 1 to 2, maybe up to 3 questions on numbers. Yeah, depending upon, again, if you're lucky you can get lucky or unlucky, whichever you want to say. But according to me, these two are the more time consuming because there's no end to it. Yeah, percentages mein kya, once you understand the concept, I can try different type of question. Here every question is of new type. There's no end to the syllabus of this topic. Alright. Whole point of view, there are only 2 books, RC, non-RC, because I want you to practice as much as possible online. Fine, once you are done with this thing. So within RC, if you see, the first section is speed reading and then practice. Guys, out of 26 question of the CAT exam, 18 question, 2/3 of the CAT paper is going to be RC. You can't afford to miss RC. Fine, speed reading फटाफट खत्म करो, RC practice खत्म करो. There are 80 pages of that, and what I've done is I've started with a very basic level, so we're not going into the direct advanced level. First few RCs are very small size, and then we go up the value chain, then we start increasing the size. So if you look at here, I think the first few RCs intentionally are kept very small size. Look at there, 1 paragraph. It's not a RC, it's a paragraph. Second is a paragraph. Then gradually the size keep on increasing. RC, main thing. Fine, finish up with this book, then we go to online. We'll do as much as possible online. Same way, non-RC point of view, para-jumble, odd sentence, para-completion, and summary based. CR as well is there, but CR is not coming these days. So 3 question, 2 question, 2 question. 6-7 question is based on this. 3-2-2 is the ideal breakup of this topic. Okay, so this is a complete syllabus. ये 2 books बस. रेस्ट बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. सिलेबस कम है बट प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा है, सो प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर. ऑलराइट. Alright, from the DLR point of view, we have 3 books here. DLR calculation based, DLR modern, and DLR logic based. Okay, so we look at the syllabus of each of them one by one. Okay, so the calculation based DI, we have DI, fill in the blanks, set theory, mathematical quant based DI, and a miscellaneous question. And I wanted to give these tests as well. In fact, the most सबसे मोटा बुक इज़ नॉट मैथ्स का बुक, जबकि ये बुक ज़्यादा मोटा है. दिस मोर वेटेज. सो डी आई इंटरप्रिटेशन, नॉर्मल कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड डी आई, यू विल गेट 1 सेट 4 क्वेश्चन, फिल द ब्लैंक्स 4 क्वेश्चन, सेट थ्योरी 4 क्वेश्चन, मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग 4 क्वेश्चन, मिसलेनियस इफ़ यू कैन गेट. आई डाउट दैट, बट मैंने सब डाल दिया उसमें, पर चार्ट ये वो बहुत कुछ उसमें डाल के रखा हुआ है. So DI calculation based, typical bar chart, line chart. You can expect 1 set on the pure calculation base, pie chart maybe. Fill the blank, set theory, and quant based DI. And there are 4 tests. This is the typical CAT ka paper you are going to get. And all you have to do is do 2 set correct. Only 2 set correct is the cutoff from the exam point of view. That's it. Calculation based DI. Modern base. All the modern based topics are covered here. 3 chapters: path and root, binary logic, and games and tournament. Again, 1 set, only 4 questions are coming out of this thing. Path and roots, statement conclusion, and binary logic, and games and tournament. Yes, they have been questioned in the past, which in the CAT exam, which have come from this area. So these are all the modern based DI logic which you have to cover up. Fine. So you can expect 4 to maybe 2 sets out of this area, 4 to 8 questions out of this area. See, maths per chapter is 1122 question. Here every chapter is 4 marks. सीधा आया तो सीधा 4 marks आएगा. And moving to the DLR logic based DLR, the typical set 1 arrangement, linear arrangement, matrix based arrangement, puzzles, and the logic based DI. 2 sets of logic based DI and arrangement puzzle में से एक set. So there can be 3 sets. So basically 12 question you can expect from this area. Linear arrangement, matrix based puzzles, and the logic based DI. So this is your syllabus which you have to complete. These 3 books combined is your complete syllabus from DI logic. This is more than sufficient to clear the cutoff. Alright, there was a meme sent to me by a student कि फटाफट ये खत्म करो मैं और काम दूंगा. So the moment you complete these books, your cutoff clearing books, this is target is 80 to 95 percentile. You can't get 99 percentile only by doing these books. Of course, you have to give mocks, this and that. But yes, 80 to 95 percentile you can touch. Then we need to go for the Pro Pack. Okay. Pro level is the advanced level books we have, which contain all the CAT question of the last 25 years, which I want you to solve. So finish these books and then we can go for the Pro level. These are all the question year by year from DLR point of view, from quant point of view, which is covered here. So phase 1, phase 2. If you want, the ideal strategy will be 2 months before the CAT exam, this should be done. Finish up your syllabus 2 months before the CAT exam. Last 2 months, I want you to practice this, give as many mocks as possible. Along with this, 1 mock every week should be the ideal target. But first is to complete this thing. The moment you cover up this thing, this is, मैंने नाम ही डाल दिया यार, cutoff clearing workshop package. Your target is to clear the cutoff. Simple. Alright.